I'm here right now in Honda showroom, Honda motorcycle showroom. That's the flagship store of Honda here in Cebu City that is near Waterfront Hotel and across IT Park. So if you look at on the front, you will see that tall IT Park building, which is the location of our Honda motorcycle flagship store here. Now let's start with the new models of Honda that's available here in Cebu City, and you will see the pricing as well. Here is the Honda Airblade 150. So this is a 150cc bike. This is one of the latest from Honda. So I'll give you a tour of the Honda Airblade 150cc. So these are the available colors that they have in here and display. Get the red and the black. The first one I've shown you is the blue one. So get further shots. So that's how the Airblade looks like. So the Airblade cash price is 107,000 pesos. It's already got an ABS, of course, you can see, and all the features about the Airblade 150, you can Google it, but the ones that you cannot Google is actually the price. So there are viewers that they cannot understand what's a pricing video, wants me to ride the bike and explain all the details. The details can be Googled where at what country you are, but not the pricing, because the pricing differs in every location that you are. Some in Manila is more expensive here than in Cebu, because it also matters if they are a wholesale importer of this bike. That's when they can have it lower. Do Exam Honda, the Do Exam group, are the biggest importer of motorbikes here in the Visayan area of the Philippines. So I always feature the Do Exam brand showroom because they have the fair price. Now, the Airblade 150 is 107,000 pesos cash, but you can have it in installment with a 10,000 down payment. And for 12 months, you will be paying 10,331. Now, if you have it for 2 years, you'll be paying 6,206. Now, if the longest that they do is 36 months, which is 3 years. And that will be for 831 pesos. Now, if you pay earlier of your deadline for the installment, you'll have a 200 peso rebate, which is like a standard among motorcycle dealers around here in Cebu City. That's it. That's the Honda Airblade. On the side of the Honda Airblade, you got this Honda Racing Satuhati. It's called the CBR 150 RJ. So I think I got a few of the comments that asked me about if they have the CBR 150cc, and I think this is the one. So the cash price for this CBR 150 RJ or RK there, that's 148,000 pesos for cash price, and it's quite big for the down payment they're asking. It's the same one here. They're asking 30,000 pesos. So that's the ADB. This is only one CBR 150. This 30,000 pesos down payment. And for 12 months, you pay 12,787. And for 24 months, you'll be paying 7,662. And for 36 months, you'll be paying 5,954. And of course, the usual 200 pesos debate if you pay earlier than your due date. So that's the CBR 150 RJ or RK. Now here is the ADB. This was featured in my last Honda video, the ADB 150cc. So the ADB 150cc cash is 147,000. And the down payment, if you have an installment, is 22,000 pesos. Now I'll let you have a look again on the tags. And for 12 months, you'll be paying 13,299. And for 24 months is 7,965. 36 months is 6,188. So I gotta read out the price for those people that's watching the video on their cell phones. And I always do read out the price because that's what they requested me to do. So look at those two most popular color is this gray black combination and red black combination of the ADB 150cc. Yeah, I could remember when the last time I was here, the ADB was just arrived from the truck, so it was not displayed well. So another new one that they have here is the CRF 150. Let me just fix the price tag because it won't show so much on my screen. So that's the CRF 150 LL. It's 150cc. You can see it's a dirt bike. So I've seen a few of this on the motocross. The people that's doing the motocross in Tabunan. So the CRF 150 costs 133,000 pesos cash. And for 22,000 down payment, you can avail for installment at 11,764 per month for 1 year, and 7,055 for 2 years, and 5,486 for 3 years. So that's the CRF 150 LL or LLB. So another latest one from Honda, I don't know, it's not latest, but it's still considered as latest for 2020, is the Genio 110. Now they're offering this Genio 110 with less 2,500 from the cash price, because that's their Christmas offering until the end of the year. So at 72,500 less 2,500. Now if you don't want to pay it cash, you can avail it the installment at 5,000 down payment and 7,261 for a year, and 24 months will be 4,386. 3 years rather is 3,428. And the standard, of course, the 200 peso rebate. So the Genio, it's still considered as the latest for 2020 for scooters, and it's very economical because considered as it 1 liter can consume you to 59 kilometers. There, based on the ECE road test, the Genio consumes 1 liter, runs on 59 kilometers. So that's very, very economical considering that the gasoline prices is very staggered. It can be very cheap and then next day it increase. So this is 110cc scooter Genio by Honda. So with the 72,500 less, you'll be paying like 69,500 for cash. So these are the latest Honda 2020. So on this side of the display, you can see the old models. What I mean is the models from 2019, 2018 down. So you can see this is the Beat 110 standard and is only 65,500. Now they have a promo on the Beat 110 standard of 2019. They have it less 2,000 pesos until the end of the year. So the 63,500 for cash until the end of the year. And if you want to avail the Beat 110 for installment, the down payment will be 4,000 pesos, and for 12 months it's 6,698, and for 18 months 24 months is 4,052, and for 36 months is 3,170. Now I was told that it now takes 6 months to process a brand new bike. I don't know what's happening. I thought they're gonna curtail that one. The last time I was here, 3 months is the processing, but unfortunately it has not stopped. So my OFW brothers, I believe that if you want to buy a bike, send your relatives or your trusted person to buy it ahead, so it will be registered before you come back to the Philippines. Or even my foreigner subscribers that's planning to buy a motorbike, you can buy it ahead of time before you come here to your trusted someone. Then it will be registered on your name when you come here, and you can immediately use it, because the conduction sticker that is released for the bike is only from showroom to home. and they're still contemplating if they can have at least a few days that you can use the bike. But as per Honda right now, that's what they said. So this is the Beat Standard 110, Standard FI. So like I said, these are the new models here, old models rather, of 2019. So those are the colors of the Beat FI Standard. So Beat has also another model called the Beat 110 Combi. So the 110 Combi don't have a promo. It still costs 68,500 for cash, 4,000 down payment, and you will have an installment of 7,000 pesos and 7,005 pesos for 12 months, and 4,234 for 24 months, and 3,311 for 36 months. So that's the difference. This is the standard FI, the red, pink, white, orange. And this is the Beat Combo. Combi 2020. Because it come early 2020. But it was now on the line of the old models. Now, I still got a few people asking about the Zoomer X. Here, they are still offering the Zoomer 110 of less 10,000 pesos from the cash price. So, that will be 80,500. And there is no limit to the less 10,000 pesos. It's only if you pay cash. Now, if you don't want to pay cash, you want an installment, you can avail of the installment of 5,500 down payment and 9,154 for 12 months, and 5,508 for 24 months, and 4,293 for 36 months. And that is the Zoomer X 110. So they have two colors left, the orange and green. Zoomer X less 10,000 pesos. Now let's see here. Let's start over here. You got the Click models. This is the Click 125i. Red, blue, and orange. Although there's a Click 125i 2020, the difference is the stickers. So, and the price is the same. The 2019 Click 125i and the Click 125i 2020 is the same price, but the stickers are different, so it doesn't make a lot of different impact. So again, combi brake, and it's a nice scooter. And there's the orange. And the price for the Click 125i 2019 is 75,500 pesos cash. Now there's no promo for this one, so that's the cash price you have to pay. But if you wanna avail of the installment, it will be 5,000 pesos down payment, and then 7,619 for 12 months, and 4,598 for 24 months, and 3,591 for 36 months. So that's the Click 125 2019. Now the difference, there's a Click 125 2020, which is here. There's actually no difference in the price. It's the same as the 2019. And I was told it's still 125cc. The difference is the sticker. So there's also a Click 150i 2019. So 150 means fuel injected, 150cc. So the Click 125 150cc is 97,000 pesos. So you can see the 125 is 75,500 pesos. So this is the down payment as well for the Click 150 is 7,000 pesos compared to the 125 is 5,000 pesos. And then the 12 months will be 9,615. And the 24 months is 5,781. 36 is 4,504. Again, specifications and technical trials can be searched through the internet. My blog is about pricing, which you cannot search through the internet because pricing depends on the dealership. So these are the two models for the 150 Fi Click that they have available. And these are the beat one. It's the same as the white one over there. Now here is the GTR 150. They are now on promo for the GTR 150. Cash price is now less 2.5, so it's 97,500, and down payment is 8,000. GTR 150 is 9,922 for a year, 5,963 for 24 months, and 4,644 for 3 years. Now here, this is the Wave 110. Wave 110R. So it's all the same. Red, orange, gray. These are all the models that they have, color that they have available for the Wave 110. So the difference will be if it's a drum brake, or it's a 110R, or the 110 Alpha New. So let's start with the Wave 110 Alpha New. This is the cheapest one of the Wave 110. And they even have 3.5 less for the Wave 110 and Alpha until the end of the year. So 48 minus 3.5, that will be 44,500. So that's how the bike look like. This is an old model, not 2020. 110 at 48,500, and the down payment for installment, you cannot avail of the promo if you're not paying cash. So the down payment, if you don't not paying cash, of 44,500 will be 4,000 pesos and 4907 for a year, 2991 for 2 years, and 3252 for 3 years. So that's the Wave 110 Alpha. Now this is the Wave 110 drum brake. Drum brake is more expensive, but still they're offering 3,500 off if you're paying cash until the end of the year. Drum brake is 55,500, and if it's less 3,500, it's 51,500. It's still on 110cc 110, and then the down payment is 4,000 like the other one. 5,675 for a year, 3,446 for 2 years, and 2,703 rather for 3 years. That's the Wave 110 drum brake. So it's available in gray and orange. So another model for Wave 110 is the Wave 110R. Again, this is higher than the Alpha. The cash price is 559,000, and then less 3,500 still, and so that will be 5,500. 55,000 rather, 55,500. So again, 4,000 down payment, Wave 110, and then 6,033 pesos for 12 months, and 3,658 for 24 months, and 2,866 for 36 months. So that's the Wave 110 models: Alpha, 110R, and drum brake. So another old models that they have here is on the back. You can see here the XR 150. This is a dirt bike, an old dirt bike, XR 150cc at 86,500. Now the down payment is 6,000. Monthly for 12 months it's 8,694. For 24 months it's 5,235, and for 36 months is 4,083. So that's the XR 150L. Now let's continue on to our old models here, because they are lesser now. This one, TMX 150 Supremo. They are very popular with tricycle business. It's now 72,000 cash, less 2,500 without the limitation of until a year. I think this is an ongoing 2,500, so that will be 69,500 now for the Supremo. Oh no, Supremo TMX 150, 150cc. So The 7,000 down payment if you don't want to pay cash. That's 7,056 for a year. For 265 for 24 months, and 3,334 for 36 months. So that's the TMX 150 Supremo. They have black red combination, or the red orange TMX combination. I've seen this Supremos used by most of the tricycle driver. Now here another promo is the XRM 125 series. XRM 125 Extreme. This is the model for 2019. Is now less 3,500. So from the 70,000 cash price, you have less 3,500. That will be 66,500. 76,000. Almost 66,500. I was correct at the time. And then, if you don't want to avail the cash pricing, that will be 5,000 pesos for down payment. This is a 125cc mine of the XRM, and then 7,056 per month for 1 year, for 265 for 2 years, and 3,334 for 3 years. That's the XRM 125. So they still have that one. And then the last one here on display is the RS 125i. It's still a 4-stroke air-cooled engine. It's a 2019 model. It is not on promo, so RS 125 is 71,000 pesos cash, 5,000 pesos down payment, 7,159 for 1 year, and 4,325 for 2 years, and 3,381 for 3 years. So these are their Christmas promo for certain bike models. The Beat, Genio, you got less 2,000, less 2,500, and the underbone models, they mostly have less 3,500. Then there's one that's less 2,500, which is the GTR, and the business model, which is the TMX Supremo, less 3,500, less 2,500, with worth of previous as well will be given to you, but that's only until the end of the year. This is Honda Cebu Do Exam Cebu, and this is their flagship store showroom here in Cebu City.